Welcome friends, in this video I will tell you how to use the support vector machine in machine learning tutorial with Python. So first of all, please understand what is support vector machine. For example, we have a x and y graph and there are two groups of pluses and minuses. So here the classifier of support vector machine does this. It separates the distance between the pluses and minuses. A support vector plane it is also known as, and after that if a point lies in the plus near to the plus group, then it marks it the plus, and if a point lies near the minus group, it marks it as minus. So in this way a support vector machine works. So let us now check how to program it. Coding part, but before that I am assuming that you have pre-installed NumPy, Matplotlib and sklearn. So let's start. First of all, we have to import NumPy as np. It just makes it small. After that we have to import matplotlib.py plot as plt. It just imports the plotting part of matplotlib that is used to plot the graphs and other things. After that we can import style from matplot. From matplotlib import style, and after that we have, since we are using the svm, so sklearn has a pre-installed thing name as svm, so we are gonna import that. So from sklearn import svm. So now we are gonna import the data and make our own data. So let's start. Let's assume that it is a capital X. So capital X equals to np.array. It just makes a shape of arrays. We are gonna print the array part as the points on a graph. So we are gonna use some simple arrays which are points on a coordinate plane. So let's start. Let's make it as 2, 3. After that comma again 1, 2 again comma 1, 3. So these three are the points of the first part of the graph. So now, oh sorry, I'm really sorry, that one is just making it even. After that we are gonna make some different groups of points such as 4, 8. This is that we have one of the group, and after that comma 9, let's make it 7, and at last another one a group is 2, 7. So these 2, 3, 1, 2 and 1, 3 are different groups, and 4, 8, 9, 7 and 2, 7 are different groups. So these are the features which are gonna use for the data. It's as simple as VM, so less data will work. So now let's make it a label such as y equals to gonna be in level, so we do not need np.array function. So we're just gonna write, let's make it these 3 as a 0 group and this 3 as the first group. So let's make it 0, 0, 1, 1. So now we are done with the data part. So now let's start building the classifier. So before that we are gonna need to check which kind of classifier we are gonna make. Actually the classifier is support vector machine, so we are gonna start it directly. So let's name the classifier CLF. CLF equals to svm.svc. Remember it will be in caps. And after that we are gonna just name it some variable such as gamma. We are gonna keep it auto. And C will be somewhere around 1.4. Train the classifier at this moment. So we are gonna use the fit function. CLF equals to CLF.fit. It will fit the X and the Y as the features and labels. Now check the accuracy. So now let's give it another variable such as predicts equals to np.array and let's make it pointer somewhere around. Let's make it 7,8. So this is gonna be our point, and predicts needs to be reshaped, otherwise it won't come as the answer. DCPS is it predicts dot reshape 1, minus 2. So now let's check the predictions. Let's check it will be in the 0 group or the 1 group. So let's print clf dot predict 0 predicts. Let's run it. Oh, I'm sorry, predict predicts and it is predicid. That's a little bit mistake. Let's run it again and see. So it's all over the place. So that's it for today. If you want more videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn more about science, astronomy, subscribe to my second channel about black holes, and more videos will come. It started last day only. Thank you.